If you want to plan the best Halloween party but don't want to spend a lot of money, we're bringing you 5 great ideas for party games, all with items purchased from the dollar store. For this game, we just got some black terry cloth, and then I put these little dollar store pumpkins on top of a paper towel holder. You could jerry-rig it however you want. And then we're going to have to try and roll our creepy little chocolate eye in through the jack-o'-lantern's mouth. Whoever does it first is the winner. Oh, so close! Whoop, fell down right through the hole.
There's so many. He came home and I went to...
Ah! Another hole! Oh, Cameron is our winner. Nice job! Woo! All right, on to the next game. For this game, we are using these creepy little skeleton tongs from the dollar store. They're salad tongs. And we're going to channel the inner operation game. So on operation, you know, if you accidentally touch the sides, it buzzes. This game won't buzz, but we're going to try and pick up an eyeball with our salad tong hands. And if you accidentally touch any of the other balls that are around there, then your turn is over. The first person to get 3 creepy eyeballs is the winner. Are you ready? Thumbs up. We'll shake on it and then start playing. All right, you go first, Cam. Oh, you touched some of the other ones. All right, let's see. Some of these are in really hard positions. I think I'm gonna try and move the eyeball into the center. Oh! Hey! Hey, you opened one up actually. That was perfect for me. Thank you. Now I got one. Oh, I think he's gonna get one. All right, nice job. So 1-to-1. Ooh, that was really good too. Uh-oh, 2-to-1. Cameron gets one more. He's the winner. But they're all pretty. Oh, touched one of the black ones. Maybe 2. Oh,
I got it.
ta-da! All right, on to our next game. For this game, we have our spider web covered pumpkins. To create that look, I just put some paper curling ribbon around our pumpkins. You can use placemats, poster board, any of like the pre-cut decorations that you can get. And then we just tied it all together after we wrapped it around and then attached one of the spider rings to it as well. To win the game, you have to be the first person to take your spider all the way around the web, get him back to the start, and the first person is the winner. You ready?
Yeah. Okay,
on your marks. Spiders in place. Get set. Go! Back to front, back to front. Oh! String it through. Uh-oh. Okay. Sometimes it gets a little tricky when it goes over and under and over and under. And sometimes the ribbon will start to come off just a little bit. So if any of your string ever starts to kind of move off, just go ahead and put it right back in place. Or if you've got lots of little ones who are going to be doing it, you can always put some notches in the edges of the pumpkins to help stabilize the string a little bit. But we like the looseness of moving it around. Oh, I'm to the end. So I win. Yours looked super close though. How close are you? Is that the win? Oh, look how close. That is a super close game. High five. All right, on to our next game. When I saw these little pumpkin lanterns, I thought it would be super fun to be able to turn ourselves into little pumpkin heads, and then we're gonna have to try and throw these little fun chocolate eyeballs into the top of the lantern. The first person to do it once successfully is the winner. You could also just use some of like the basic pumpkin buckets if you want that as well, but we like the little lantern approach. You ready?
Yeah.
On your mark. Get set. Throw. Oh. Oh, I got one. That was so much faster than I thought it would be.
You want to go for
Ta-da! 2? Should we go for 2? Yeah, we'll go for 2. Okay. Good call. That was so fast. All right. And it said throw. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Nope. All right, here we go again. 2! So we found these little styrofoam pumpkins, and they're hollow on the inside, so you can cut out any type of a jack-o'-lantern face that you want. Before we do that for our decorations though, we just cut one little slit to start about where the mouth will go, and it's just big enough to fit a penny inside. Made the hole a little bit larger for younger hands as well, so it's a little bit easier for them, harder difficulty for adults. And what we're going to do is just put a penny inside of it. The first person to shake it out is the winner. You ready?
Yeah.
On your mark. Put that penny in. Get set. Go! Goes it gonna be? Goes it gonna be? Shake, shake, shake that pumpkin. You're getting some styrofoam pieces out. You won! Good job! You found the magic penny, completing the penny pumpkin shake game. Way to go. That's awesome. Well, we hope you enjoyed all of these games that are simple, easy to do from the dollar store for any Halloween party. If you enjoyed them, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.